Alright, in this video lesson I'm going to show you how to share your referral code. So go to register and log in. I'm going to log in as Ronan at GroSpace. It's busy loading. There we go. And as I come to the bottom, here's my referral code. So I'm going to take that and copy it. Come to WhatsApp. As you can see, there's like this grospace.co.za, and then says / and then the question mark. Everything thereafter is a token that tells GroSpace to remember that when the person uses this code, I get 10 Rand on my wallet, or into my wallet, I should say. So I'm going to paste that code there, you see there. But now, if you want to be extra smart, you go and double tap there, and you can copy your voucher code. So you copy that, and let's say now I want to share chickens. This is my little coupon. Cool. So I'm going to share this chicken over here. Okay. This is what I'm sharing. So I'm going to go in here. And then I want to click paste. Okay. Let's then select all of this again. Copy this. Straight into WhatsApp. No, actually, you know what? I'm going to keep my statement here, right? Then I'm going to paste that in, and look what happens. And there we go. So now that link comes up. And that's how easy it is to share your code.